and socks are everywhere. Wait, a whistle, toot toot, hooray! The tiny up train is on its way. Pick up the toys, one by one. Put them in the box, it's so much fun. Teddy jumps in, ball rolls too. They're riding the train with a choo-choo. It stopped, books open wide. Close them up and stack with pride. One by one, they climb aboard. The tiny train reads every word. Tidy up, let's all go. Round the room, nice and slow. Click and clack, the train goes past. Put things back and make fun last. Bears in the chair, silly socks under the bed. Time to go, the train conductor said. They wriggle, wiggle, tumble in pairs, and ride the train down socky stairs. Half for helping every friend. Puzzle pieces hiding near. Slide them in, the box is here. With a giggle, they all snap tight. Clickety-clack, they fit just right.